Alright guys, so there's the date and time on a Garmin Forerunner 620. In this video we're going to ride the elevators here at the Hyatt Regency in Green Bay, Wisconsin. And guess what guys? They're Westinghouse AE. Except this button got modded by Epco Inchline. But that probably doesn't mean that they upgraded the other buttons in the cab. So it looks like, let me get this elevator right here. It looks like it's here, so there goes that one. Alright, here this one is. So now we're going to head to 8. You can really listen to that dinner bell. Oh, I think someone's coming. So I think I might have shut the door on them. Whoops. Yeah. Oh, it looks like these are high hydraulic, judging by the speed that they're traveling at. Still in this hotel though. Anyways, here we're up at 8. Interesting how a floor passing chime is the same as the directional chimes. So now we have back down to the ground. And the door close button works. So now we're going to watch out this side going down. Oh look, the other elevator is going down as well. I wonder which one will win. Probably the other one. Or maybe it'll get stops on the way, who knows. Yeah, it looks like that other elevator is gonna win before this one will. Yeah, I think the other one beat me. Oh well. Anyways, here I back down the ground. Now we're gonna catch this one. Room for one more?
1 floor?
8, please. Thanks. Okay. That's the review elevators as a hobby.
Yeah?
Yeah, these are old Westinghouses.
Is you recording it, the elevator?
Yeah, it's a hobby I have.
Nice.
There's also people on YouTube who do the same thing. It's a hobby I have. Alright, so the door close does not work in this one. So now we're going to Scenic here. Looks like this one, looks like the internal indicators are Acme and not Westinghouse RT. So anyways, here we're up at 8. And now we're going to send this back down to the ground, and then your cab view. Let's see if this does a Westinghouse trick, just for the heck of it. Yep. And as you all know, guys, when the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. Yeah, so door close doesn't work, but it still does due to the Westinghouse door trick. So anyways, guys, let's get our cab view. It's a really nice elevator for an open atrium hotel. And Jason St. Louis Elevators has also filmed these before, so I thought, why not check them out for myself. So anyways, there's your indicator. Here's your COP right here. And there's your phone. Actually, I'm not sure if that's the phone or if the button that says help is on the way. Actually, that might be an indicator light. But yeah. And here's your, here's a little message you want to pause to read. It looks like we're in elevator 4. So, once this one closes up, we're going to ride the elevators on the other side.
Stephen, aren't they all the same?
Yeah, but I'm just doing it just for the heck of it.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to let that one go. Wow, listen to that, guys. Don't you guys just love the dinner bell? Anyways, we're going to call these ones. Looks like we got this one. Oh, wow, listen to that chime, guys. Wonder what's for dinner. Apparently, Westinghouse is with AEs. Oh, look at this. The buttons are more hidden in like this like little plastic ring than flush mounted to the panel. They also have the. Oh, looks like these Westinghouses have the original indicator and not the Acme. So I guess maybe, I guess like the other ones got upgraded or something. So anyways, here we're up at 8. I think I saw a housekeeper look at me weird. Wow, listen to that dinner bell. So now we're gonna head back down to the ground. There's no door closing in this elevator. But yeah, they, looks like they upgraded the elevators on the other side, but they kept some aspects of these ones original. Yeah, because it's still got that floor passing beat that, kind of skips in, like where it kind of skips when it makes the sound. Looks like we're stopping at 5. Hold on.
Yes, please.
Watch out. No, watch out this side. So you're right down on the ground. Alright, bouncy stop. So now I'm going to send this one up to 8. So I'm going to let that one go. Not I just like to do videos on elevators.
He's just riding one elevator.
Okay.
And then we'll leave.
Yeah, it's
He's an elevator enthusiast. I'm his mom.
yeah.
Okay, so you want to do that one too? You
Yeah,
like the glass
that's
elevators there?
yeah, that's
Okay.
that's the last elevator they have here.
Okay, and then we'll be done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Makes it fun when they're glass. They're only 8
Yeah.
stories though. It makes it a little more exciting when it's
Yeah.
a little taller.
That's true. Yeah.
And also still the old mechanical bells
He
Yes.
likes the fellows too. Thank you.
from like the 70s. Thanks.
All right.
Alright, so now we're gonna ride up to 8 on this one, then watch Jenny get cab view. But yeah, I didn't show this on the other elevator, but it has the exact indicator as this one does. But yeah, this one, yeah, notice that like the floor passing chime makes like a skip in between the sound. And so it looks like they have not really upgraded these elevators, but they've upgraded the other ones. So in my opinion, I prefer these over the other. Anyways, here I have a that dinner bell does, and now I just can't get enough of that dinner bell. So now we're gonna head that down to the ground. I'm not even sure if the dinner bell worked on the other elevators, to be honest. Because I think I heard the dinner bell from this side when I was over on the other, when I was running the other bank of elevators. Anyways, let's get a cab view. It's pretty identical to the other ones, except these ones have more original components to them. Anyways, there's your indicator. It's a Westinghouse AE indicator. Actually, maybe Westinghouse RT. Anyways, there's your lantern. Here are your fixtures. And this one does not have a phone, just an alarm bell. Actually, there's a phone in here, and I can't really seem to open it. Oh yeah, the other elevators have a phone, but this one does not. Love that dinner bell. Just cannot get enough of it. Alright, now let close up. Now I would have watched it go up from outside, but since that guy got in it, I'm not going to bother doing that. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this little video, and that's it.